Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn English with Erica. Today we are going to learn about did. So did is something English speakers use to ask about the past, but it's confusing because when you're asking the question, you're only using did, but not a past tense verb. But then when you answer, sometimes you use a past tense verb and sometimes you don't. So how do you know? That's what we're going to learn today. So let me ask you, how would you ask if a person went shopping? You would say, did you go shopping or did you went shopping? Which is it? So actually it's did you go? With a question with did, the verb that you use in the question will be normal, not changed. Where it gets complicated is when you're answering. Okay, so if you are answering yes, that you did go shopping, you would say, yes, I went shopping. If you did not go shopping, you would say, no, I did not go shopping. Not, I did not went shopping. So the idea is because it's already in the past, okay, did is in the past in the question, you don't put another verb that's changed with it. Same thing when you're answering the question. If you're saying I did not do it, did is your past tense verb, but the other verb is regular. But then again, if you did do it, you don't need to say did in the answer. You're just going to put the thing that you did in the past. Okay, so if I've confused you, that's okay. We're gonna practice. So you can either say, if someone asks you, did you do it? Yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Or you could repeat the verb. Let's practice. Okay, I'm going to ask you 3 questions with did. You're going to answer them how you think. Answer yes that you did these things. All right. The first one, did you go shopping? Did you go shopping? How would you answer that? You should have said, yes, I went shopping. So if you're saying yes, did does not belong in the answer. You're just saying the thing that you did, putting it in the past tense. Let's try another one. Did you meet a friend? Did you meet a friend? How would you answer that? You should have said, yes, I met a friend. Yes, I met a friend. Okay, a third one. Did you sleep in? Did you sleep in? And this means did you sleep longer than normal? Did you sleep in? Remember, answer yes. Hopefully you said, yes, I slept in. Yes, I slept in. Okay, now let's try some no's. Let's try some no's. These questions, I'll ask did questions, you answer with no, okay? Did you buy clothes? Did you buy clothes? How would you answer if you say no? Hopefully you said, no, I didn't buy clothes. No, I didn't buy clothes. Notice didn't or did not, that's in the past. So buy should not be. So you can't say, no, I didn't bought clothes. That's not correct. Okay, let's try another one. Did you call your family? Did you call your family? How would you answer that? Hopefully you said, no, I didn't call them. No, I didn't call them. Didn't is your past tense. Call should just be normal. Okay, let's do one more. Did the teacher teach you? Did the teacher teach you? Say no. No, the teacher didn't teach me. Now let's say the teacher did teach you. We'll go back to the yes. Would you say, yes, the teacher teached me? Or yes, the teacher taught me? That was kind of tricky. You'd say taught. They're both past tense, but teached isn't a word. Taught is the past tense of teach. Okay, I know lots of grammar. Let's try some more and see how you do. Okay, we're gonna do 5 more practices. The first one I'll model for you, and then I'm gonna ask you 5 real life questions. Now, here's the model. I'm gonna ask you, did you go to a park? Did you go to a park? Now, if you say yes, you're going to say, yes, I went to a park. The verb just goes into the past tense. If you say no, you have to use a form of did, right? So did not. No, I didn't. And then the verb doesn't change. No, I didn't go to the park. Okay? Let's see how you do. Did you go shopping at the mall? Did you go shopping at the mall? Did you eat at a restaurant? Did you eat at a restaurant? Did you go on vacation? Did you go on vacation? Did you watch TikToks? Did you watch TikToks? Did you visit a friend's house? Did you visit a friend's house? Okay, so hopefully those were easier and you know why there's a did or a didn't, or if this was helpful. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, tell me how you did, and let me know what else do you want to learn about. See you next time.